Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to fix the sound not working in Microsoft Teams. First, check the volume from the left side of your PC to ensure it is not muted or set too low. If everything seems fine, right-click on the sound icon and open Network and Internet Settings. From here, check your network connection to rule out any issues affecting your sound. Next, open the Troubleshoot Sound Problems by right-clicking the speaker icon again and follow the steps to detect any problems. You can also open Volume Mixer to make sure that the system sound, Google Chrome, and other applications are not muted or set to a low volume. Now open Microsoft Teams and click on the three dots from the top right corner of the app. Select Settings, then click on Devices in the left-hand sidebar. Here, check if the correct microphone and speaker devices are selected. After that, click on Notifications and Activity to review if your notification settings are configured correctly for audio alerts. You can enable or disable notifications as you prefer. Next, scroll down to check the chat settings and ensure that chat notifications are not being silenced, which may also affect audio. Then open the Start menu, click on Settings, and select System from the left side. Under Focus, ensure that no focus modes are enabled that might block sound or notifications from Microsoft Teams. Go back to Microsoft Teams, click on the three dots again, and check for updates or any other options that might be available to fix sound issues. Lastly, right-click the speaker icon from the bottom right corner again and select Troubleshoot Sound Problems. Follow the on-screen instructions to fix any remaining sound issues. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.